Welcome to our channel, Learn English with Pamar. Why isn't this project completed yet? I assigned it to you days ago.
I have been facing some unexpected challenges, but I'm working on it.
Challenges? Excuses you mean. You should have anticipated and overcome any obstacles. That's what I pay you for. I don't have time for your excuses. Just get it done, and stop bothering me with your incompetence. You are lucky to even have this job. I can replace you in an instant if you don't meet my expectations.
I understand, but I could use some additional resources or support to address these issues effectively.
Resources? Support? You are supposed to be resourceful and independent. Just figure it out yourself.
I can't believe the way my boss behaves sometimes.
What happened now?
I was just trying to explain some challenges I'm facing with the project, and he completely blew up. He said I should have handled it myself.
That's rough. Has he always been like this?
Yeah, lately it's been getting worse. It's like he expects perfection without providing any support.
Sounds like a toxic environment. Have you thought about talking to HR?
I'm not sure it would help. But I'll definitely keep my options open. I can't keep dealing with this constant hostility.
Of course. You shouldn't have to tolerate such arrogance. They're there to help create a respectful work environment.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe and don't miss to press the bell icon.